All right, yeah, so this is the new updated screen. This is what it looks like, the full screen. Okay, this is with the Google Maps. This is Spotify. You can still do side by side. Then you got your phone call list. Now the Google Maps you can put on this side. Before you wasn't able to do that. It was just the Google Maps here and then the other screen here where you just scroll on the pad. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to Google Maps. I love the full screen. And I get to watch my movies full screen and everything. So alright, this is just the update, just showing you guys what it looks like. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them to like, share, subscribe, and update. Also, the Android Auto and stuff like that, it connects like really smooth now. Before you used to have like little dropouts where it would drop out and drop in and come back on, but this time it's been really good. The Android Auto has been really good. I just wanted to make this video for you guys, showing you guys the updated screen. Some people have contacted me and said they got the upgrade for the TLX. On my YouTube channel, they said that they received it for the TLX. Some people got it. They're rolling it out, I guess, slowly. I did get an update from Acura that the 22 and up RDX are getting the update. They are getting the update. And a couple other models. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. I just wanted to make this updated video.